Hello and welcome back to another episode of Bollybuzz. And this Tuesday, it's low on entertainment but sky high on politics. From Sushant Singh Rajput's death probe taking surprising new turns to Kangana Ranaut now taking pot shots at Kareena Kapoor Khan and Bollywood stars slowly adding a little sparkle to social media. Here are all the top stories of the day. In case you haven't been following up on the Sushant Singh Rajput case, don't you worry, we're here to keep you up to date. We are 10 days away from clocking 2 months since Sushant passed away, and things have only got more controversial, messier, and now even political. While the Mumbai police is sticking to their guns and saying that the Bihar police have no jurisdiction to legally pursue the case, Sushant's father accused the cops of inaction despite alerting them of his life being in danger. Interestingly, at a time when Rajput's brother-in-law, OP Singh's WhatsApp messages to the police was going viral, the Mumbai police hit back alleging that a written complaint was requested, but that Singh wanted the matter resolved informally, which he was told was not possible. The biggest shocker came in with Sushant Singh Rajput's flatmate releasing the WhatsApp text the actor got from his brother-in-law that gave a new twist to the tale. What followed next is, you guessed it right, politicians stepping in. While on one hand, Shiv Sena MP cited a political hand at play with the Bihar police travelling around the city in a BJP office bearers BMW and Jaguar cars, Bihar CM announced this morning that KK Singh gave his consent to push for a CBI probe. Hopefully this political and jurisdiction wrangle will be settled once the Supreme Court gives its verdict on whether or not the Bihar police's FIR against Riya Chakraborty should be transferred to the Mumbai police. In other news, Kangana Ranaut was back to taking pot shots at B-Town biggies. This time it happened to be Kareena Kapoor Khan. From firing a series of tweets with questions like why your best friend asked Kangana to leave the industry to why Kangana and Sushant were isolated in the industry and never got called for any parties. No one wishes them on their film releases, birthdays or successes. While we all wait for Kareena's reply, this B would also like to add, what on earth is going on? Adding some good old sparkle to your Tuesday update are Suhana Khan, Ranveer Singh, Karan Johar, Kajol and a few others. Suhana earned a collective awe when she shared some never-seen-before photos of her brothers at their goofy best on the occasion of Rakhi. But it was Ranveer's late-night live shenanigans that finally got Karan Johar to break his social media silence. Meanwhile, mommy-daughter duo Kajol and Naisa had fans gushing over their matching outfits. And finally, trolls better be on their guard because Amitabh Bachchan is the newest troll slayer in town. Big B made headlines when he clapped back at a troll mocking him for featuring on an Amul ad. बहुत बड़ी गलतफहमी में चल रहे हैं आप मियाँ. जब सच न मालूम हो तो अपने स्वच्छ मुख को स्वच्छ रखिए, Bachchan Senior said. In another reply that is winning the internet was his comment to an unsuspecting Twitter user who commented about losing respect for the megastar for advertising for a hospital that only wants to make money, she alleged. Besides offering a gracious explanation, he said, I shall never lose respect for the medical profession and the doctors of my country. And one last thing, my respect and respectability is not going to be judged by you. That's all the explosive comments we can take for one day, so goodbye and see you all tomorrow.